Alright, Badlands Rebuilds. I'm up here working on my roof. I'm just going to show you a little overlook here. I just don't know, or my wife thinks I'm obsessed with vehicles. I'd like you guys to click and comment what kind of vehicles you're obsessed with. I got 3 sitting in the trees here, just walking aerial view. My backyard's pretty full of them. So click subscribe. We got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of vehicles we can work on. Plus I got 2 in the garage. Yeah, comment, tell me what you're obsessed with. Send me some pictures and show me what kind of vehicles you have and what kind of obsession you have with vehicles, because it's kind of a hobby of mine. I just like fixing on stuff, but now I'm starting to stack them up. And yeah, just click subscribe, comment, show me a quick clip of what vehicles you have and what kind of hoarders are out there hoarding vehicles. All these vehicles do run and drive, but there's only one of me and can't drive 13 or 14 vehicles, so gotta take turns. But yeah, just let me know. I've been working on my roof for the last couple weeks and putting tin over shingles. That ain't much fun, but hopefully I'll get back on that there Mustang again. We broke a lower A-arm driving down the road, so we're gonna have to do some front end work to that. But yeah, so I better get my ducks in a row. Is that a word? My ducks aren't in a row, they're kind of all over, so I'm gonna try getting my ducks in a row and get back to working hard. And see you later from Badlands Rebuilds. Have a good one. Alright, my wife thinks I might be a little obsessed Badlands Rebuilds because I got a lot of vehicles. I got this garage, I got a slug bug in here, a motorcycle in here. I got this sweet 75 Chevelle. I got this nice 78 El Camino in here in the garage. I got 78, 77, 2007, 68, my Traverse, my pickup, my jet skis, my kid's car that I'm buying for him. And I got, well, let's see, what do I got in the back? I got 4 in the back yet, so might have to have a liquidation sale. I don't have room to park all these cars. Maybe I'm a little obsessed because I haven't got rid of any of them. Usually I fix them and I sell them or flip them, but I really like them all. I don't know, that might be an obsession. Stay tuned, see what happens. I got a 72 GMC back there, way back in the alley. I got a 59 GMC back there. I got a 1984 F-250 snowplow pickup, 72 Chevy back in the backyard yet. I just got a lot of toys. I just don't know if I can get rid of any of my toys. Alright, rebuilds. Here's my 59 GMC single headlight, short step side. It's in my backyard. There's my 72 GMC 4-wheel drive. Here's 2 of them that are sitting back in the alley. You already seen this 68. That might be my favorite. There's my snowplow pickup, 1984. Just over 100,000 was a fire truck. She works really good for pushing snow. My boat, the old 72 K10, and my kid's boat. So I'm gonna line them all up back here. Let me know if anybody's interested in buying anything, because I might have to get rid of some before winter. Can't afford to keep plating them all. It's kind of my hobby, but I'm gonna miss some of them.